Everyone is 5 members now, and I'm not losing my mind that much because I ate week one. So let's unbox this. Oh gosh. Ow! I can't even see. I just put. Let's unbox this. The Northern Yankee has a. How do I feel about Zebra being 5 members now? I am okay. I am Ricky biased, by the way, so I'm okay. I want everyone to stay together as 9, but week one, yeah, week one is testing me. Week one has been testing me. I hate that I still have to spend money on that group and that company, not that group. That was the other one. But still, I'm sick of giving money to week one because I want to support Zebra One. I love Zebra One. And there's another company. I just hate week one so much. And the other company isn't any better. But I ordered with Light Up K. Oh, they say tag for a different discount. I never do that, by the way. I never tag. Yes! Wow! Wait. A Matthew? Oh, God, this is yeah. But I got a Matthew PC. Wait. I got Matthew. I think the lighting is too bright. But I got a Matthew PC. Wait. Let me turn down the lighting. Oh my god. What? I got a Matthew PC. Cute. Oh gosh. I actually cute. I got Matthew's too. This is good. I like this. I think I'm still too dark. The lighting is too dark. What? Matthew? I thought this was how Matthew. Don't drop. Yeah. Matthew be part of my 1OT5 still. And you can see Ricky up there. I'm Ricky biased people, but still. Okay, let me just throw this away. But I got Matt. Matthew was in Montreal the other day. Matthew and I in the same city, but this is the album. It's not big, it's not small, it's a decent size ish. Okay. Let's open. Oh, wanna know everything about you? What? You think Spotify DJ, by the way. So I don't know what's coming up in shuffle. Oh, my laptop. No. Okay, so I kind of do like my hair like this now. Yeah. But either way, I don't know what Eva is doing. I hope it's not too bad, you know. I just have to hope right now and hope that's Ricky. This. Why? So it's like this. Should I turn up the lighting? I don't like this lighting. I think it's gonna be too bright. I always make this too bright, but either way, don't fall. Whoa. Okay, this is how it is. This will just be a simple unboxing. I have other Zebra One stuff coming in, but like Ricky. I'm listening to his Don't Know You. That's a really good song. So it's like this. It's like those jewelry box things. Let me take this out. Hey. Wait, let me try it out. I'm trying to chew it out in Mama Murago. What is? Oh, they did it like this, like have it attached, whatever. Okay, it looks okay. It's kind of pretty, but I can't wear it because I have a metal allergy that I developed from having metal in my foot, and the doctor says nothing is wrong, but how do I still get rashes and stuff from necklaces? I had oh, it's kind of cute-ish. Doctor is telling me that I don't have I didn't check either way, but it's okay. It's just nice. Oh, it's a rose. This is prettier than it looks, honestly. Top focus. Okay, yeah, it's prettier than how it looks, and it has a little blue thing in there. And I still haven't done my nails. I don't know if I should take out my hair or do my nails, because I can't do my nails with my hair do my hair with my nails on. Focus. Ugh. Either way, this is pretty. I like it. I'm gonna try wearing it, but I said I always end up rushing up, and that never happened before. With my old jewelry too that I wear every day, but I wore every day. Wait. This is so cute. Focus. You see, this is so cute. Oh my god. This can't play anything. What I hope. This is so cute. This is so cute, and they have the whole thing here. It's so cute. It's so. Never seen a man like me. We go up, Katero, we at it. Howdy, you never seen a man like me. Okay, let's see. Katero, we got that. Ricky! Oh! Woo! I thought I would get Tere, honestly. Ricky! Ricky, no. Ricky. Wait. And then, Beanie. For the Polaroid, I got Beanie for the Polaroid. For me get Ricky and Beanie. And Beanie. Okay. I'm happy. Wow. I'm free this. I just saw Ricky name at it. For everyone's last OT9 album, I have Ricky. And then this is the group warranty card. Oh, I'm gonna freak out more. I'm just making sure this is under 10 minutes because I'm not cutting this. I'm just gonna post this on TikTok and everything. But look, Ricky. Look, Ricky. Beanie. Cat nyangs. Okay. I'm a body phobia. What is? Oh, this is Hanbina again. This key is Hanbina again. Okay, let's do this then. It's a lot though. Make one cheap, but it's okay. Looks like I still have to cut this video. I'm not cutting this video. News. I'm gonna look at it after. What? How? It's matter after how? Wait, I don't know. Oh, Terea. I thought I would just have to live with Terea alone in week 1, but now I have 5 of them. And I've seen people calling it Matare. Let's wait, cause here comes rain. Seems like a rocket. Oh, okay. I thought I was gonna get a Wook PC to Konoki. Oh, you. Bring that in. Wait. Oh, Eugene has brown hair in this. Wait, what? Oh, I think, yes, that's all. That was everyone. I think that's all. That's everything in the album. What is still? Ricky. Love you, Ricky. Bye.